1st November. Experts says methods to in upcoming time the Dogecoin price were more and more pumps up, and very huge surprise in the 1st November, my friend, for all my viewers, especially for a holder of Dogecoin. Let's get started a brand video. In this video we will also predicate, but kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, my friends. So the big surprise is coming soon on the 1st November, and the surprise is absolutely about the price pump, the huge explosion. But first of all, I am update you. So you can see the Dogecoin price, my friend, from last 1 hour, last 1 day is decreased now, but last 7 days you can see here the average is 5.06%. the price is increased now, so definitely it's very good now. And I hope, my friends, through the last 24 hours this is temporary fails. I hope after that they will also recover it. So the rank is coming to 9. I am 100% sure, my friends, in the 1st November the price will hit now 5. They will come into top 5. Let's see, my friends, to what they do. But experts says to in upcoming time the very huge explosion is coming soon. So let me explain to what is the next explosion. So my friend, at the end of month every coin were moving upward, everybody know this, but this time, as you can see from last 7 days, just and only they will recover all the loss and get a profit. Definitely it's a very good news, but this time, especially in the short time investor are starting selling. So when the short time investor are starting selling, the coin is fails down. So in the 1st November, my friend, expert says to the prices pumps up. So they are defined two reasons, my friend. The first reason which they are defined is that, my friend, to especially short-term investors stop selling, and then the price will pumps up. So this is the first reason. And the second reason, my friend, let me explain now. But the second reason is very something interesting. The second reason is that to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So this is very huge, my friend. Huge pump is coming soon, because very badly, my friends, very badly from last 3 days. If we check out, my friend, from last 3 days, so definitely if last 24 hours, so my friends, the Dogecoin condition is very critical, because 2.58% fails down. So therefore after a fails, everybody know this too, they will take a very huge jump. So therefore I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the Dogecoin price will very fastly increasing and take a very huge jump. So kindly holders, if you want to get a profit and if you want to earn money a lot of from crypto, you will need, my friends, to follow ABS Tech channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. ABS Tech channel will guide you, update you. So my friend, in the 1st November, don't miss this event, don't miss this chance, my friend. Please, the very huge explosion is coming soon, so hold it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.